Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
Alternator too?
Yeah.
If I can see that, yeah, nice. Did you build this box?
No, I did not. Brett on the team did.
Okay.
I wish I could take credit for it.
It's all good. It looks good. I like it.
Nice.
Nice. So what made you do subs up, port back? Or is it just what you want, optimal? Or?
Yeah, it seems to be the loudest when it comes to hatchbacks and stuff. However, I do want to try port up. I'm really curious on how that would do.
Yeah.
Set or miss though.
Yeah.
You know how it is.
Yeah. I've seen some people actually do subs forward, port up, just to see, just turn it and flip it. You never know, just to try, trial and error. You know how it works. Nice. Really nice port. What is this tuned to?
35.
35, nice. And do you know how thick your plexiglass is?
1/4 inch.
1/4 inch, okay. Nice. And these are the
SA V2s.
V2s. SA series, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing this. Can I see the alternator too?
Yeah. Actually, you won't be able to.
I won't be able to? Don't worry about it then.
Hold on a second here.
What vehicle is this?
It is a 2020 Civic Hatch.
Civic Hatch, nice. Big Ben, the acoustic. All right. What is the RMS on the amplifier?
3500.
3500. And do you have this at 1 ohm?
Half.
Half ohm, okay. And your lithium bank, is it underneath?
Yes. Yeah, it's a limitless 15 amp hour, and then I got a US acoustic Barber amp 4-channel.
Okay.
And then I got a DSP and stuff.
Nice. All right. Is there a way we can keep this down during the demo?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Yeah. Anything in the doors?
Yes. ODD audio, 3-way component set.
Okay. Very nice. Did you do any SPL test on it?
Yeah. So my music average was a 49.5, and then a burp was a 51.
Really? And that's pretty good for some SAs too. Congrats. Nice job.
Thanks.
I think I remember hearing your system, you had a trunk system before.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm going out of the trunk.
Okay.
Kind of miss it though.
Yeah. What's your frequency response on this bass box?
I peak at 39.
39? Okay. How low are you playing down to?
I'd say like low 30s. I don't play really much lower.
Yeah.
Just because with it being the essays, giving them a little more power.
Yeah.
So try to go easy on it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Nathan, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Noticed you had a little bit of hatch flex right here, up here in the top, the headliner.
Yep.
Yeah. Did you play one more for me?
Yeah.
Something else?
Yeah.
So that was 37, 39.
Yep.
That was good. That was a really good demo song.
Play something a little different.
Okay. know you're putting a lot of power to them subs, but that's pretty impressive. It's handling that. Nice job, man. Wow. For a couple of 2 little SAs, it's actually pretty impressive that you broke a 50 on this. Congrats. That's good.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I'm sure if you ever met anybody that's ran the same subs, they'd be like, wow, that's pretty good. You made it that loud. So I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much.
Definitely.
That's another good one. Thank you. That was more music too.
Right,
So
yeah.
Awesome.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.